In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable auto-delete chat on Telegram. You can simply set to auto-delete messages on your Telegram account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Telegram. On this page, tap on your settings icon just right here on your bottom right. Scroll down onto the option of privacy and security. You will have to select auto-delete messages right here. Set any period of time you would like your messages to auto-delete. When enabled, all messages and chats you start will be automatically deleted based on your selected period on deletion. This might also affect previous chats when enabled. That's how easy it is to turn off disappearing messages on Telegram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.